We're building 3608 and we're working on our zeolite columns that have had some parts fail inside of them. What the purpose of zeolite columns is for is we filter all the rad material out of the water in our treatment process right there. So that is the product that cleans up the water, makes it non-rad before it goes in the creek.
3608 through various holding facilities and groundwater systems over at our SWASs. We collect all of the groundwater from ORNL's blueprint. We pump it all over here. We treat it for hardness, strontium, cesium, various other things. We adjust the pH before sending it back out to White Oak Creek.
So what we need to do to repair the vessel, 1650 vessel, and probably the rest of the vessels, with the deterioration that we have to primer and epoxy the interior after we repair all of the rust that has happened. With these challenging temperatures, we also have to sustain a temperature of 50 degrees. Us doing that, we had to order heat blankets and wrap these vessels with the heat blankets and sustain that 50 degrees with our temperatures that we have right now, and they're doing that job very well.
It's a confined space, it's inside a tank. You've got to go through a lot of trouble of making sure we get the right protections in place, access, dealing with rusted parts that need to be changed out, difficult to reach, can't build scaffolding like you need to do, or just different things in there that cause a lot of challenges.
Originally, we were entering into an area that is predominantly a damp area, so PPE was a big part of the initial entry. As we moved further down, we had to do some sandblasting inside the area. That was another challenge, dealing with ventilation inside the tank. We had to come up with some different ideas, some things that are kind of out of the ordinary for us, really. Now we're on a different aspect of it, doing the welding inside of a tank, which, as far as I know from a UCOR standpoint, we have never done before. There's certain PPEs you can't wear while doing hot work, so we had to kind of change all that up as well. So from a RADCON standpoint, we had a lot of different radiological hoops that we had to jump through.
The challenging part is, this being the first evolution that we've ever done any welding inside the tank, is just coming up with all our safety protocols and everything that we need to do to keep our guys safe as possible while we're doing this.
We've been in the planning process for probably a month and a half to figure out exactly what we're going to do to come up with a plan where we could go in and execute and be successful.